Hello guys, welcome to the kitchen. Let's make low-calorie vanilla custard cream that's very silky, very smooth, very delicious and rich in texture and in flavor that you won't believe that it's diet. Yet the entire batch has about 100 calories and 5 grams of protein as a bonus for you. No cornstarch slurries, no weird textures, just pure vanilla flavor and that cozy, very nice thickness. You can serve it hot, you can serve it cold, and you can dip all your favorite sweet snacks in it, especially if you're on a diet and you have those sweet cravings. Here's what you'll need: 1 egg yolk, 100 milliliters of any kind of skim milk you like, 5 grams of cornstarch. We're gonna need some sweetener, but not erythritol here. Use allulose or sucralose-based sweetener or vanilla-flavored sweetener. Set the heat to low. I use 4 out of 9 settings and stir constantly. It's the most important thing. You need to keep stirring until it thickens. It's ready when your spatula leaves a clean line on the bottom. It's perfect. Now let's cool it a bit and it will get even thicker. With my ingredients, this batch has 118 calories, 6 grams of fat, 9 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of protein as a bonus for you. Compare it to a traditional custard, which normally has about 200 to 150 calories, but only 2 to 3 grams of protein, lots of fats and lots of carbs. Ours is lighter, high in protein, and the same delicious creamy texture. Isn't it magic? So to my plate, I will add 2 to 3 protein French pancakes. It's my new recipe that's going to be uploaded next week. 0 protein powder and pure cottage cheesy magic. I know that you like it. So if you don't want to miss it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's going to be uploaded next week. You can also add my regular pancakes or waffles, or you can just add some fruits, some cottage cheese and create some sort of a bowl with this delicious custard cream. And it's very easy, very delicious and incredibly macro-friendly breakfast for me with some berries. It has under 300 calories and almost 20 grams of protein. And don't forget to save this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check this playlist where I packed all those sneaky protein-packed recipes. See you!